Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 9 to the power of n minus 3 to the power of n is equal to 12, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we will rewrite this equation as, here you see that we have 9 and we can write this 9 as 3 squared and its whole power n, minus here we have 3 to the power of n is equals to 12. And in the next step we will apply here the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of n to the power of m. It means that if you can interchange these two exponents, then it will always gives the same answer. So it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So now we can apply here this nice exponential law in the first term in the left hand side, so that we can interchange these two exponents and we will get its output in the form of 3 to the power of n and its whole squared minus 3 to the power of n is equals to 12. And now we can convert this nice exponential equation into the quadratic form, so that we will take here y is equals to 3 to the power of n. So when you can put here y is equals to 3 to the power of n, so this equation will becomes in the form of y squared minus y is equals to 12. So now in the next step we move this 12 in the left hand side in order to make the factors of this equation. So here you have y squared minus y minus 12 is equals to 0. So here you see that we have minus 12 and this is minus 1, so that here we need any two numbers whose product is minus 12 and whose sum of these two numbers is minus 1, so that these two numbers are minus 4 and plus 3. So when you can multiply minus 4 times of 3, it will becomes minus 12, and when you will add minus 4 plus 3, you will get here minus 1. So now we can multiply this equation by y, and you will get here minus y is equals to minus 4 times of y plus 3y. So now we can replace this minus y by minus 4y plus 3y, so that this quadratic equation will be written in the form of y squared minus 4y plus 3y and minus 12 is equals to 0. Now we will make the factors of this equation, and here first we take common y, and you will get here y minus 4, and plus we take common 3 and we will get here y minus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Now you see that we have y minus 4 be the common term on both of the equations, so that we will get y minus 4 times of y plus 3 is equals to 0. And now here we have two cases. The first case is we take y minus 4 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take y plus 3 is equals to 0. So in the second case we get y is equals to minus 3, and here you get y is equals to plus 4. And now in the start of the question we will take here this y is equals to 3 to the power of n, and now we can back substitute the value of y, so that when you will put here this y is equals to 3 to the power of n, so it is equals to minus 3. And here you see that in the left hand side we have an exponential function which is 3 to the power of n, and in the right hand side we have minus 3. And you already know about exponential function, it is always gives us the positive value. So you know that exponential function cannot be gives us a negative value. so it is not possible an exponential function is equals to negative value. So this case is not possible and we will reject it this case, and we can just proceed here this case only. So here we will back substitute the value of y, and you see here the value of y is 3 to the power of n is equals to 4. So here we find the value of n. So that in order to find the value of n, we will take the log on both of the sides of this equation, and we will get here log of 3 to the power of n is equals to log 4. And here we can use the property of log. So according to this property of log, we will move this exponent in the front of this log, and you will get here n times of log 3 is equals to log of 4. So here we move this log 3 in the right hand side in order to find the values of n. So here you get n is equals to log of 4 over log of 3. So that here we can use the logarithmic table or calculator in order to find the value of log 4. So that the value of log 4 is 0.602 and the value of log 3 is 0.4771. So now we will divide these two values, and you will finally get here the value of n is equals to 1.2617. So this is the final value of n of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.